Hi everyone. I wanted to show you these quick deals that we got at Albertsons. So the boneless, skinless chicken was 99 cents a pound. So my husband and I got 20 pounds of chicken. So I wanted him to leave it in the original package, but he already put it in freezer bags. So there it is. That's a lot of chicken. And then we got this eggnog. This was $1.99. This creamer was $2.49. And then these were there was a deal. It was a very good deal for $1.99. And it was limit 4, so we got 4 of them. We got 2 zero sugar hazelnut. And I got this one. What is this one? Peppermint mocha. 0 sugar as well. And this one's peppermint mocha too. And then this meat for to make tamales. The regular price was $46.16 and we got it for $26.36. And this one for $26.24. And this one for $25.57. So we got a very good deal on the meat. And then that the cheese was $5.99. It's what is it? It's 2 pounds. And the Starbucks cinnamon dulce was for $6.99. And we got a bag of of onions for $2.99. And and then this bacon was for $4.99. And that's a good deal because it's so expensive right now. But that's my haul, everybody. Everybody have a nice day. Bye.